Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be continuing with our new category of plurals. So today we're going to be looking at animal names plurals. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have lions. Lions are called di-ta-u. Lions are called di-ta-u. The next one we have elephants. Elephants are called di-go-u. Elephants are called di-go-u. The next one we have dogs. Dogs are called di-mja. Dogs are called di-mja. Cats, di-katsi. Cats, di-katsi. Zebras, di-pitsi. Zebras, di-pitsi. Crocodiles, di-kwena. Crocodiles, di-kwena. Birds, di-nonyana. Birds, di-nonyana. Turtles, di-kudu. Turtles, di-kudu. Snakes, di-nora. Snakes, di-no. Cattle, di-kgomo. Cattle, di-kgomo. Sheeps, di-nku. Goats, di-pudi. Goats, di-pudi. Pigs, di-kolobe. Pigs, di-kolobe. Chickens, di-kgogo. Chickens, di-kgogo. Horses, di-pere. Horses, di-pere. Bees, di-nosi. Bees, di-nosi. Giraffes, di-thutwa. Giraffes, di-thutwa. Frogs, di-wawa. Frogs, di-wawa. So that's it for our today's video. If you have animals that you would like to know the plurals in Sepedi, don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section. For now, don't forget to subscribe.